Hi guys, my name is Ishita and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do a Valentine's Day makeup look. For this 2019's Valentine's Day look, I'm going to show you a soft pink look. I'm also on Facebook and Instagram. If you haven't checked it out, please check it out. It will mean a lot for me. Details are in the description box below. Let's not wait any longer and get to the video. So we are going to start with our base and get your base ready with your favorite foundation on, and let's get going with bronzing. I'm not using contouring because we want that soft look, so that's why, and I am taking this brown shade. For eyes, we are going for pink look with glitters, not too much, just a little shine, and prep your eyes with eye base or concealer. I use concealer as an eye base. I'm using this pink shade, hot pink color, and I'm layering all over my eyes. Take a soft pink color, which I'm using this lighter shade of pink, and applied it on your upper eyelid and lower eyelid as well. Take the same hot pink color and blend it on your crease for smoother and blended eyes. I'm using the same brush. I'm wiping the excess color on tissues, and I honestly don't think you need bunch of brush for applying your eyeshadows. Now for some dimensions, take a soft brown color, which I'm using this, and applied it on your outer V. Now lastly, I'm taking some light shimmer color and applying on my tear duct and brow bone. For that, I'm using different brush. Curl your lashes and apply mascara. Eyeliner, false lashes for this look. Just keep it casual and simple and soft, which looks so sweet on this 2019 Valentine's Day look. For lips, any soft pink color. Recently, what I like to do is apply a matte liquid lipstick, and on top of it apply gloss. Your lips will look fuller and shinier. That was my makeup look for this 2019's Valentine's Day. This video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos to come. I'm also doing a Valentine's Day lookbook, so stay tuned and see you guys on my next video.